Welcome back, everybody, to CNS Corvettes in Sarasota, Florida. I'm your Corvette buddy, Lyle, here to talk to you again about Corvette stuff. I hope everybody's had a good week. It's been really, really hot down here. I hope you guys have been comfortable and enjoying your summer. I'm not going to talk about anything technical today with Corvette, and we're not going to go through any new parts, and we're not going to go through anything that I'm selling. I'm going to talk to you today about the second most common call I get here at the shop. Well, what's the first most common call? I'll tell you. The number one thing that we hear through comments and emails are specific questions about somebody's car and a specific problem they have, and or just to tell us how much they've enjoyed the channel and how much it helped them in choosing or repairing or enjoying their car, which is awesome. The second most common question we get on email and in comments is, where can I take my Corvette in my place, city, name, and state here area that you trust? Years ago, there used to be something called the Corvette Yellow Pages. Back before the internet, when you actually had a little book that listed all of the Corvette parts suppliers, repair shops, showrooms, all the people like us who specialized in only Corvette. That has kind of gone by the wayside with the advent of the internet. Everybody just assumes you can Google Corvette shops in my area and come up with somebody who is, relatively well-known, reliable, been in business, blah, blah, blah. But in the Google searches I've done trying to help people locate somebody, I found that that's not necessarily the case. So today, everybody out there who is watching this video and has a Corvette, is going to help compile a list of trusted Corvette shops in whatever your area is, whether that's Ottumwa, Iowa, Yuma, Arizona, the Netherlands, wherever. If there is a Corvette mechanic that you know and trust, that you've had good experience with, I would ask you to put their information and just the name of the shop and where they're located down here in the comments. What I'm hoping to do is, if we get enough people involved with this, that we can end up with a list of active, trustworthy Corvette shops today, not 10 years ago. So that's what I'm going to ask you to do. Now, there are a couple of simple rules for this. Number one, I only want comments that are positive experiences. I don't want to hear about the Corvette shop that you're unhappy with, or the guy that screwed you over, or this guy, whatever. If it is negative, if you're trying to, run somebody down, deservedly or not, I'm going to remove that comment, because this is supposed to be a resource of ongoing, usable, trustable people. So put your good experiences down here in the comments, and I will be very interested to see who is still active, maybe some new places I'm not even aware of around the country or around the world who are doing good Corvette work. And that will not only help me help you guys later on when you have these questions, but the comment section alone will become a resource that I can direct people to. So that is your homework for this weekend. I want you to go through and make a comment if there is a Corvette shop in your area that you trust. That's it. Thank you so much. I'll look forward so much to reading the comments this weekend. I'll talk to you next week.